Hi, chat.
Hey there, how's it going?
Hi, I would like to talk to you today about education and policy.
Sure, I'd love to chat about that. What specific aspects of education and policy are you interested in?
I'd love to talk today about transdisciplinary literacy in the classroom.
That sounds fascinating. Transdisciplinary literacy is all about integrating knowledge and skills across different subjects, right? How do you see it being applied in the classroom?
Yes, well, we actually learned about that, and I'm curious what your thoughts are about transdisciplinary literacy and incorporating that into the classroom.
I think transdisciplinary literacy can be really powerful in the classroom. It helps students make connections between different subject areas, like math, science, and humanities, fostering a deeper understanding. It also encourages critical thinking and problem solving skills by allowing students to approach real world issues from multiple perspectives. How do you think it could be best implemented?
That's why I'm here to ask you, what activity do you think would be best for a second grade classroom?
For a second grade classroom, activities that are hands on and interactive can be especially effective. Here are a few ideas. 1. Themed project based learning. Have students work on a project that combines elements from science, math, and language arts. For example, they could explore plant life, science, measure and graph their growth, math, and write a short story or report about their findings, language arts. 2. Storytelling with science concepts. Use stories to introduce scientific concepts. After reading a story, students can discuss how the science in the story applies to real life. 3. Math and art integration. Let students create art projects that involve geometric shapes and patterns. They can learn about shapes in math and then apply that knowledge to create their own artwork. 4. Environmental studies. Take students on a nature walk where they can observe and collect data on plants, animals, and weather. They can then use math to analyze their findings and write about their experience. These activities encourage students to see the connections between different subjects while making learning fun and engaging.
Thank you, chat.